Hello guys, today another lesson as always. So today we try to see risk in investing. I'm just trying to make a point here that sometimes when you go online there is confusion between these two words, and in the online, and most when you see TV or you see some big websites for news, they always speak about investor. Okay, investor sell, investor buy, investor because. No, it is not investors. This word is used wrongly. Now why? When someone is exiting and buying and exiting, and a few days or 1 day or a few days or 1 month or two, these are not called investors. These are called traders. Most of the time traders, they buy, they sell, and they are looking for just a trend or just a move in the market, and these are traders. It means they use they can use the news, they can use technical analysis, they can use resistance and support lines, they can use they can use indicators, they can use a lot of things. Now, when we speak about investing, we mean that someone buys and he knows the company and he wants to stay more than 1 year. This is what we call investing. And the persons who are doing this are called investors. Just to make the difference between these two words. Now, we have seen before risk in trade, like swing traders. We say you should know how much you should risk, and that's why you should put stop loss before you buy. Before the market closes, you should buy the stock, how many shares you want, and then you put stop loss, so you know how much you will lose if the market is against you. And the next day before the market closes, you should yourself, did you exit or you didn't exit with a stop loss or without it. Okay, this is trading. Today we try to see investing. Investing has another thing, is that we don't use a stop loss in investing. Now you ask me the question, oh, there is no risk, so how can we know the risk? Investing is a bet that your company is good, and in the future mutual funds might buy it, and then it can go and grow through years. So it is not a matter of few days or 1 month or 2 or 6 months or 8 months. It should take years. So it is a big bet on the company. So that's why you should never in my opinion, you should never bet on one company for many years, because this is a big risk. Let's say, I give you just an example. Let's say you bought Twitter. Now, when I give you the example, it's just an example. You see that Twitter, at the beginning, it was going up. For me, I bought it for 1 month or two, and I got some money, but I am just a trader. I trade, I see trends, I trade. When there is no trend, I exit the trade. Now, and then the stock, let's say you bought it at $40 or $45, and then after a few months or 1 year, it goes to $74, so you are making money. But since you are investing for the long run, you want to keep it and to follow this stock or this company for many years. Unfortunately, from $74 it goes to $14 or $15. Okay? Now, if the stock is going down, to which price or which level will you leave this company? Okay? Some, they use, for example, they use earnings to see what's going on to this company and why the company is losing money or something. But sometimes you see that the company is good and the earnings are good, but the price is going down. So what's the problem? understand that you are comparing two things that we have no comparison at all. The company itself has nothing to do with the price. This I have explained millions of times in my videos. That's why a lot of people, they don't understand this crucial idea. Is that who buys the companies? Who makes them? Who makes the stock price goes up? It's big hands in the market. So sometimes they buy it, it goes up. Sometimes they sell it, it goes down. But there are some indications when it is too bad. Okay, when the stock price is going and is going down and down and down for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and then you see a very, very large loss into your investment. That's why a lot of people, they don't base their investing on stocks or on one stock or two or three. They try to see mutual funds or ETFs and so. This makes them not make a lot of money, but they make them not to lose a lot of money. And this is the aim of diversification, as they say. Okay, it helps you just minimize the risk, but you will not get that much money from mutual funds, from ETFs, because they have a lot of stocks. Some stocks go down too much, some companies they go bankrupt, and so. Okay, so in investing you are betting on a huge amount of money. Okay, you are betting on big. So you are not betting on small amount like swing traders or like day traders. Day traders and swing traders, their bet is very, very small. Okay, they bet, but if the first day, the second day, things doesn't work, they exit. Okay, they will not stay 1 year or 2 or 3 until they lose a lot of money, because you block or you lock your money into 1 year or 2 years or 3 years, and then if there is no money, or your money is going down, so you lose two things. You lose money and you lose time. Okay, because in investing, if you are not making money, you are losing time. You stay in mutual fund 1 year, 5 years, 10 years, and then you see that all you get is 5% in this 5 years or 10 years. So you are not doing that good in investment. So you should try other things. Okay, so understand that investing, you should bet on big, especially on stocks, because if you have 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 stocks and they go good, you will make a lot of money, because you stay all the years, and these years there is a big movement in the market for this kind of stocks, you will make a lot of money. But instead, if your stock doesn't do good and a lot of these stocks go down, and you stay 2 years or 3 years or 4 years, so you will be betting on big, because you will be losing a lot of money. Okay, so just to make sure you understand the difference between investing, the risk in investing and the risk in trading is totally different. Okay, so thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends. If you have comments, please comment here on the comment section, and send me a private message if you have private message. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.